Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, my name is Zulaihat and this is your first time seeing this face. Hi guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, join the family. So you guys can see from the title below, we are doing a vision board. I said a vision we are doing a vision board today. So guys, I've just done a vision board once in my life. I did a vision board last year, even though this is coming late. I did my vision board last year around like I think it was posted like a first, or like I know it was like really early on the year, even though this is coming late, like the last day of January. It's still alright. So my vision board of last year actually came true, even though I couldn't find the book where I wrote it, because I just wrote it in a little book. I was in the midst of traveling. I remember I was about to travel back to Nigeria at that time, so I just wrote in the book, and I just closed. I was like, God, from my mouth to God's ears, like speak into existence, guys. And I would like to say that from the things I could remember that were on my vision board, like most of the things I wanted that I actually put in my vision board actually came true, which is, yeah, the most of them came true. Like I knew that I said I wanted to move out of my parents' house, like I wanted to live alone, and voila, I am living it. Even though it is like in school, like I actually got to like move instead of like stay home and do like commute from home. I actually got to move out of my parents' place, and I live alone now. I have a roommate, but I live alone. Like I'm out of my parents' place, so that was really like a big deal for me last year. Like that was like, I think that was like #1. I can't remember, people were commenting that, oh my God, like, how do you plan on doing it? I was like, I don't know, but from my mouth to God's ears, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I know that, fingers crossed, by the grace of God, it's gonna happen. And it happened. I got to move out. I think I moved out around August, September. I was able to, like, I made up my mind to go back to school, and like everything just worked its place, and I got to move out into my own place now. Yeah. Also, I knew I said I wanted to work with brands, and last year, even though it came at the end of last year, guys, I got to work with Glamnetics, I got to work with Il Maquillage, I got to work with like a lot of brands that I was even shocked about. Like I was like, oh my goodness, like this couldn't be happening to, like I literally screamed. Like I remember like when one of those big brands actually first reached out to me, I was just screaming. I had to confess. I was like, oh my God, like I said this year, and it actually happened, even though it was very close to the end of the year. But that happened. I cannot remember everything I put. Obviously I wanted to reach 100k, but you guys did not. I don't know. So if you are here, please go subscribe. Thank you. So that was one thing I put last year, that I wanted to like grow my YouTube channel, and yeah, but that it worked out. At least I grew a little, but I didn't get to my 100k. I didn't get my plaque last year. But you see, when we make this year's vision, but things are going to change. Things are going to change this year for us. So that was like my stuff for last year. I couldn't remember every single thing, but you see those two things, if I could find that book, I wish I could find the book, because when I moved, like everything just everywhere, so like, I couldn't find the book for the stuffs that I wrote for my vision board, but those two things I still remember them. So without further ado, this year I'm going to actually be like showing you guys my stuff on my computer, as I'm like just saying it, like you guys will see me apply it on my, basically create my vision board, which I'm going to be using as my screensaver for my laptop, because I use my laptop a lot, right? I just didn't want to like print something out in paper and like hang it somewhere, because I know I wouldn't look at it. But what is like on my computer screen, which I look at every day, yeah, I'm going to look at it. And you guys, I hope and I'm praying that all you guys' goals for this year comes true, because this year, from my mouth to God's ears, like I keep saying, God, I really want like the things on my vision board to come true, because I want to be, I'm not saying I want to be, I am moving, I'm just moving, I'm moving forward. That's all I can say. I'm just moving forward this year, like period. I'm moving forward. So let me shut up, stop rambling, and let us go and start my vision board of 2022. I'm just gonna be looking at my stuff, and I'm just going to be talking to you guys. So like the first thing on my vision board is this year is like be financially like good. I'm not call it financially stable. Anything can happen, I know, but like I'm not going to say financially stable, but like financially good. Like I just want, like, I'm a money magnet. Money is attracted to me. Do you understand? I am a money magnet. Money is attracted to me. Anything I touch wants to turn to gold this 2022. Like that is just like one of my big goals. Like I'm attracting money in every moment, everything. 2022, we're about to make money. Like, money is very important to us. So yeah, that is like one of my big goals, because if you want to live a baby girl lifestyle, you need money to keep up with your baby girl lifestyle. So yeah, like that is like one of my, I think money has always been like one of my top priorities, and like I won't call it priorities, like my goal to like really be like financially stable, like financially good, because financially stable is like having a lot of money. So like financially good is the word I'm going to use. So like I just deserve to make more money. That's what I know. Like I deserve more money. I deserve to make more money. Yeah, so that is like a really big deal for me. So like being financially stable is like my number one, one of like my number one like goals for 2022. Yeah, money. Oh my god. So guys, number 2 is to get a car. So yeah, this is like a big deal for me, because like ever since I moved here, I moved here now, I think going to like 6 months, is it up to 6 months, like 5 to 6 months. I began moved my life all the way from Nigeria completely. I moved abroad here to the US. So I haven't had a car, because of the type of car I wanted. I want to get like a good car. Like I'm not going to go for anything crazy, but like a good car. So like this year is like my goal before the year runs out, to get a car, because this bus life, I'm tired. I'm tired of running after the bus. Like the bus be leaving me at the bus station. Like I'll be running on the, like, you guys, I'll be running on the spot, like running to get to the bus, and the bus be like, phew, and just be leaving me behind. Like I'll be running and be going. So like one of my goals this year is to get a car, so that I'll stop running with buses. I'll stop chasing down my buses. So yeah, that is like my number 2 goal. I'm trying to make my goals this year like really reasonable, not too far-fetched. Like I'm not saying nothing is too far-fetched for someone, but like things that I see that, yeah, this is going to like, this can definitely like work out. Like I see this happening for me with like hard work and stuff. So number 3 is to grow my YouTube channel to 100k. Before you guys say anything, yeah, I said that, getting my channel to 100k. I think I'm at 3,000 subscribers now, right? 3,000 or 2,000, I think 3,000, I'm not so sure. But guys, this 2022 is my year on YouTube. Like I just feel like I have put in so much effort into YouTube and just let it go. Like I didn't like pursue it and stuff. But this year, and by the grace of God, inshallah, from my mouth to God's ears, I keep using that word because that's what I used last year. I'm like, at least a few of my goals came true. From my mouth to God's ear, we're not living 2022 without 100k subscribers. By the grace of God, like we're not living 2022 without 100k. Like period. We're not doing that this year. So that is it. That is for like my number 3 goal, to get like to 100k. The next one is to keep up with my grades. Like if you guys don't know, I'm in school, I am a student, I'm doing studies. I'm doing education, I'm doing like education stuff. So yeah, to keep up with my grades, because like even though I want to have this life, I still want to have my books, like my grades, just to know that yeah, I wanted to do that and I did it for myself. So yeah, having like good grades for in school, because I didn't come all the way here to come and count bridge. I did not come and count bridge here. So having good grades is like really important to me. So yeah, having like keeping up my grades, having good grades, like going up, that is like a big deal. And when the going gets tough, I still want to like push forward. So the next one is being happy. If you guys know me, like I'm someone that have always said that happiness comes like, it's like my top priority. If it doesn't make me happy, I don't want it. Anything that will give me stress, as I'm like, anything that's going to give me headache, anything that's going to make me be thinking and be like, God, I don't want it. Like if it's not going to provide more money into my pocket, please just disappear from my life. I do not need you. You are stressing me. Like I don't anything that I can avoid that will not bring me happiness, I don't want it. Like I've always been like a proud sayer, like I am a happy child. I just choose to like take away anything that is like sadness and pain, like anything that I can basically avoid. I want to avoid it and just be a happy baby girl. Do you understand? So guys, the next on our list is to travel more. Like I already traveled once on just January. I traveled like once already, like that last year to this year. Basically I already traveled once, but I really want to travel more this year. At least like catch flights and not maybe catch feelings around the way, but like catch flights basically. We need to catch flights this 2022. I am ready to catch flights with my friends and everybody. Like if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's travel, let's have fun. So like that is like one of the things that is on my goal list. So the next is to work with big brands. Guys, this year I'm trying to like manifest. Like last year I just said I wanted to work with big brands. I wasn't like specific, but I was really happy that I still got to work with the brands I got to work with, because I was just like, who am I, from where? Like the moment I be getting the emails, I'm just like, what, like what, me? But I'm so happy. But this year, like there's a brand I've really wanted to like not even just work with them, like be on their PR list. Huda Beauty. If you know me, you know Huda Beauty. Like Huda Beauty is like one of my like, I am in love with their brand. I don't even know why. Like I love Huda Beauty and Kiali. Like I've been in love. Like I get their makeup, I get their like perfumes. Like I'm so in love with them. Like it's a brand I really want to be on their PR list. Like I just want to be on their, I want to be on PR list of a lot of brands, like of Morphe, of Tarte, of basically I want to be on a lot of like brands PR list. So like that is one of it. But like also I want to work with like Sephora. I want to work like, you know, work with big brands like Sephora, like Target. Like, do you guys know who Aisha Harun is? Like this Muslim blogger. She works with Walmart and stuff. I'm just like, oh, like classy babe, like okay. So like that is one of my goals this year, to like to work with like big brands and like small old me from somewhere, like from nowhere, coming to like be on like this huge platform that people get to know me, like bring myself out of there. Also, I want to get a new MacBook. I know people will be like, what, like that is not over, but yeah, I have been saying it for the past like, this is my MacBook here that I'm using to like do this. I've been saying this for like years that I really want to like get a new MacBook, but every single year I'll be like, it's too expensive, I don't want to like spend that much money on it. Like I don't really bother for phones, because like my phone, changing my phone would be like an issue for me, because like I have all my things on my phone, and like changing it would be like but my laptop is like a huge big deal. Like probably change my phone to this year if possible, but like my laptop is like something I really want to change. I really want to change my laptop to like a new, like get a new laptop and have this one for like school and one for like YouTube. If you don't get a MacBook, get like an iMac. I'm in between. I just want one of those. Next is to like work out more, guys. I'm not somebody that will come and be like fat shaming or anything, but I know I have gained some weight this past year. Like sometimes I like try to like put jeans on, like that's it. Now I understand, like if you don't struggle to put jeans on, then you don't know my pain. Like when Beyonce sang that song, I didn't understand, but now I really understand. Like putting my jeans on is just like serious like struggle. So like I really want to like go down, like lose a lot of weight, not a lot, but like lose weight to like be able to like fit back into like all my clothes. I love my clothes and I don't want to get rid of my clothes. I want to buy new clothes. So like losing like weight and stuff. So yeah, I think that is all. I just put like realistic things on my, not realistic, but like things I really want to. So like growth, possibly grow on my Instagram and my YouTube. I'm gonna try doing TikTok this year. I didn't do TikTok. I don't do TikTok, but this year I'm going to be doing TikToks. I'm back on TikToks and start filming beauty videos also for YouTube. If you guys want to see this video, so of this makeup look, I think I'll play it after this one or before this. I'm not sure, but I just finished filming this, so you guys should see. This is how we're getting to work with big brands. Okay, we're gonna be manifesting all this so that brands can see us and be like, yeah, she wrote it. So yeah, I think that is all. I think I did everything justice. Yeah, so that is it. That is just my vision board for 2022. So I'm not asking for too much. I'm just asking for what I know I deserve. I know I deserve it, and if I work hard towards it, I know that like it's not far-fetched, it's not far-reached, like it's not impossible. So as far as I know that I say it out and like work towards it and work hard towards it, it's gonna happen. By God's grace, by this time next year, or something I'm doing this vlog next year, we already have like 100k or more than. I'm not limiting myself to 100k, but we have like a lot, like we have grown a lot. So yeah, that is my vision board for 2022. So yeah, you guys have seen, you guys will be like, this girl's so dramatic. This is what we call happiness. Happiness is my goal for this year. Okay, be happy. Don't let nobody's son take you for rubbish. Don't let anybody's child stress you. Okay, so I just quoted talking back and so just make sure you are happy and your goals. Just I think vision board helps, because when you write out your goals and you can see it, it pushes you more to do it. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, join the family, leave a comment, because I read and I reply to all your comments. So bye.